Hello there, welcome back to Flying Fish Crypto channel. Once again, thanks for clicking into my video. So the other day I actually made an Instagram post asking my followers whether would they like to know more about cryptocurrencies, and I received, of course, a number of responses, and I think still there is still quite a number of people who would actually like to know more about cryptocurrencies, and I'm also really sure that there are people that I know already know about cryptocurrencies, right? And they are probably in it hardcore already. And let me know what you think. Please drop in a comment like, hey, yes, we would like to know more about Bitcoin. So that gives me the opportunity to create more basic videos about the fundamentals and also why Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Why? I think most of you are probably asking this question. Why did Colin came into the world of YouTube and start spamming us with Bitcoin videos? Because I do believe Bitcoin is really important. I do believe it plays a big major role in our lives. It is millennial money. Only the millennial will get it, because if you're not a millennial, it's probably hard to digest such a concept of digital money, something that we're not, especially the boomers are not used to, right? Money used to be notes, man. We used to have money. Paper was money, but giving them the idea of like, hey, Bitcoin is money. Like, what is Bitcoin? I don't see Bitcoin. I don't feel Bitcoin. I don't touch Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin? I don't think the boomers are so open towards the ideas, but there are a number of them who are open enough to actually understand the importance of it, and they do see that value in it. Kudos to them. And why am I? It's almost like I think in the 80s where when Fiat was evolving into the credit card system, I think most people was uncomfortable. I think they needed some time to get used to like the idea of credit cards. I don't think we hear many good reviews from the boomers about credit cards. Of course, it's beneficial if you know how to use them, and most of that, most people just fall into debts, into the debt card, and it's pretty much trapped in there because of credit cards, right? So, but my point is, it was a shift that was not. It took time. It took time for people to accept that hey, my paper money is gonna be in a piece of card right now, right? Be it the debit system or the credit system, it takes some time. It actually took some time for them to actually accept. So it took a while before Mastercard or Visa even boom, right? And I do believe this applies to Bitcoin as well. From the idea that we're shifting from fiat currency into a digital money, a digital form of money like Bitcoin. It is something that is it takes some time for a shift to happen, right? Just like in the 80s where credit cards came into the market, right? And why am I talking about Bitcoin? I'm speaking mainly to the millennials, because the millennials stand a bigger chance of understanding this concept of decentralization and why we need it. If we don't decentralize most of our things here, right, it's gonna be tough. Life is already tough for millennials. It is. Adulting is hard, right? Adulting is hard because you got to look at the bigger picture. What is really going on? Let me share. Let me share some stuff with you, right? Last year, last 2 years before Bitcoin entered its bull run, Bitcoin brought its price from lowest at 6, depending on the exchanges, right? So I think Bitcoin went from like 4 to 6,000 US dollars all the way up to 69 US dollars at its highest peak. So what this data is about is the number of active addresses, if you can see. During the bull run, the number of active addresses spiked for 1 year, for the duration of 1 year. and price went all the way to its all-time high. So surprisingly, price has maintained in this region while the number of active addresses has fallen dramatically, right? What I do believe is happening right now is the number of active addresses are holding Bitcoin for the longer term, supporting its price at where it is right now. So what I'm trying to say here is, before a big bull run happens, there will be some sort of, I do believe the bottom is in. I do believe 35k or 36k or even lower. We could actually go lower to like 25k, 30k, and could create that bottom, and from then on we could see price spike up, right? I'm sorry, not price spike up as in like a bull run might start again. What I'm trying to say is, over here, the number of active addresses has dropped dramatically. It creates an opportunity to actually enter the market. We don't want to be buying Bitcoin when the market is at its peak. I think many people got into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at like 50,000 US dollars, right? And guess what happened? The whales dumped on you. They sold off their Bitcoins, right? And they force you to panic sell your Bitcoins. And guess what they're doing? They're probably buying it back up again. So this is a crazy game of of money, right? That's exactly what is going on. So I think the best approach to Bitcoin is definitely hodling your Bitcoin. Definitely hodling your Bitcoin, right? Hodling, it's a term. Those who don't know, hodl means hold on for dear life, right? No matter what happens to the price, hold on for dear life, right? Do not touch your Bitcoin portfolio. Do not sell it. Do not buy it. Of course, that is more. If you have also invest in Bitcoin with money you can lose. You can. It's an investment at the end of the day, right? You do it with your spare money, not money that you need, right? If you need money, that you keep that money. Of course, you want to have some cash on the side to actually live your life. So you can invest in Bitcoin. I think, yeah, that is what I'm seeing from the number of active addresses right now. And I do believe the number of addresses that are over here right now are most of them will be the long-term hodlers. Yeah, sorry, I think I forgot to explain what hodlers are. Hodl, HODL, right? Hold on for dear life. So I think they are holding on for dear lives. And I don't think they are planning to let go of their Bitcoin anytime soon, because they still do believe that the market has quite an upside remaining to go. And here's the thing: to get right in this whole market, right? People will not be buying during the bull run because it's so risky to buy on a bull run. Prices are pumping, right? I think the best timing to buy Bitcoin would be during the bear trend, during the bear market, right? That's where you want to be scooping up and shopping for Bitcoin rather than selling them. You want to be buying during the bear market or during a bear trend, and you want to sell it off during the bull run, right? Makes sense, right? Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. And that's the thing that people don't know. Reflecting based on this address that the number of active addresses, I do believe it will be perfect timing to. I don't think there's a perfect timing. I think it will be the best timing to actually accumulate. I think you should dollar cost average into Bitcoin, which also means don't throw your entire amount of investment into Bitcoin, right? You don't want to do that. You wanna break them up and purchase at different price points so you could average it out. For those who don't know, and I think that's the best way to go about buying Bitcoin. It's because it's a highly volatile market, but volatility is not. It's not bad. I don't think it's bad because volatility is what makes people money and what makes people lose money as well. But you got to be at the right side of the game, right? And based on this, I think you should make your conclusion based off what I've shared here, right? Yeah, back to, hey, if you would like to know more about the Bitcoin fundamentals, please go ahead, type in a comment like, hey, yes, we would like to have more videos about the fundamentals of Bitcoin. Why is it so important? I will explain to it in the videos, and please go ahead, drop a comment. Back to the Bitcoin price today, nothing much has been going on. I've talked about this symmetrical triangle, right? Prices are ranging in this symmetrical triangle. We haven't broke out. We haven't broke up or down. I did mention in my previous videos that, hey, if we do break out, we have a perfect opportunity to trade this action, right? To the upside, we would see the price of approximately $55,000 US dollars per Bitcoin, and if we dump towards the downside, yes, we are dumping towards 30,000, approximately 30,000, or even touch 29,000 again. I don't know. What do you guys think? And if you zoom a little higher, I think there is a perfect confluence. If we do dump down, we could. It's possible. It's in the cards, right? It's in the card. So if we look at this, in this area, sorry, we supported the price once, many times over here. I think this was when everyone thought the bull market was over, and then bam, second bull run just came in. Are we gonna see the next, or perhaps we're gonna dump back down, and then we'll see that move towards the upside? Maybe. Please drop a comment, tell me what you think. And those who would like to trade this move, please go ahead to my description box below. I've placed a few links over there. I have a tutorial video on Bybit, the platform that I trade and buy Bitcoin from. I also have bonuses prepared for new users who would like to get whoever would like to get the bonuses. Please click on this link, sign up for Bybit. It's the best exchange so far that I've traded on. And then there is Luno if you're a Malaysian and you would like to buy Bitcoin with your ringgit. Go ahead, sign up, use my referral link, EJPGHQ. Am I still online? Yeah, I think my PC lagged here. Okay. Guys, once again, connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. Not many are in my Telegram channel yet, so go ahead. Please get into my Telegram channel, and I'll share lots of useful information over there. I think it will be a great community platform where we could share about ideas and also even promote projects, right? I think I know some people around my circle who are into different projects based off the blockchain. So if you are one of them, please come into my Telegram channel. It's a chat free for all. It's open for all. Have a blast over there. Share your information you want to share. I think that's the whole point. I want to create a community of people that I know around me and get them involved in Bitcoin, because I do believe Bitcoin is the future and it's already happening. You don't want to be too late, but it's also never too late, right? At the same time, please go ahead, like, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell. Share these videos to people who you think will be beneficial to them, right? Who take interest in my videos. And lastly, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.